Just kind of show me around the different parts of this, what each handle does. Okay. Kind of a...
We'll start over here. Engine independent brake, automatic train brake, sanders, the bell. This long lever here is the throttle. This is the Johnson bar, it's like the gear shift. Right now it's neutral, anything forwards, backwards, reverse. Up above you can see the air brake gauges for the train brakes. Coming over this way you got the steam gauge. As we come back around this way, these handles here run our injectors. This is the steam and the water for the engineer side injector, the steam and the water for the fireman side injector. And the way we tell the water levels right here, the water glasses. If you come around here, you can see the water level right there in the glass. Bob it a little bit so you can see it move. Always keep the water in the window more or less. The rope here is for the whistle, and got another rope over here for the other bell, and that's about it. We got one handle here for the blower that blows steam up the stack to create an artificial draft, and that's all there is to them. Really, there ain't a whole lot. Yeah, it was built in 1928 by the Vulcan Iron Works, and it'll run about 20 miles an hour. The boiler is not big enough to generate steam fast enough to run that fast, constantly. It likes to run 7 or 8 miles an hour. It'll do that all day long. It weighs 40 tons. We carry 1,200 gallons of water in the saddle tank and about a ton of coal here on the bunkers on the back. And with that, we can go probably 25 miles on the load of coal. And I've gone as many as 20 miles on a tank of water, but you know, after about 15, we start looking for water. It was never intended to go very far, very fast. It was used at a coal mine in eastern Pennsylvania up into the 50s is when it was last used. It spent its time about 50 years behind a diner in Horseheads, New York before Dad and I bought it, and it took us about 6 years to get it running again.
So what was your experience kind of restoring this locomotive? Was there any hardships that you faced, anything like that?
Well, just the missing pieces that we had to make. We had to put about 300 stables in it, new side sheets in the firebox, the bottom tube sheet, bottom of the door sheet. We thought it was in better shape than what it really was. That's kind of common when you start messing with steam engines. They're never as good as you think they are. It's been a lot of fun. This is actually the third one we restored, so we've got 5 of them all together, and this is the third one we've done. So